Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I just finished engine oil and filter change on this 2005 Honda Odyssey. But I still have to reset that engine oil life indicator which is in the dashboard. So let's go and see how that's done. And Honda made it very easy for everybody to do that. So first step is put the key in the ignition and turn it on position. Not the start, but the on. Right, here we go. And you see that little wrench there, which is right part of the system. And also if I will cycle using this button through this, it will show the oil life, right? And it's 15%. Now I will go ahead and hold this button steady for 10 seconds. And that indicator should start flashing. And if I let go and hold it again for over 5 seconds, it should reset to 100%. And here you go. The wrench is gone and we have oil life 100%. Let's just confirm it was done correctly. I will switch it off. Start the engine again. Now let's see if that wrench will be gone. Alright, okay. And oil life really is 100%. I can go back to the odometers and so on, and it's successfully reset. Wasn't that absolutely awesome easy? I love it. Thank you, Honda. And I'm filming a lot of services on this 2005 Honda Odyssey, so please make sure you are subscribed and you don't miss any of those videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.